Ito yung title namin, personal profile. Pag niran siya, ganito yung lalabas. Ayan, personal profile. Then, gumamit din tayo ng link para i-connect sa CSS para para magka-design yung website natin, magka-color, ganun, etc. Then, dito naman gumamit din tayo ng link para sa fonts. Sa header, para siyang container. Dito nakapaloob yung about, tsaka yung contact, yung navigation. Napipindot siya, like ganyan, about. Ayan, lalabas siya about. Pag kinlik mo to, lalabas yung contact me. Ayan. Next. Dito naman tayo sa ganon din siya sa about me. Dito naman, image. Nilagay ko yung link dito, tas ito yung lalabas kapag niran siya. Ayan yung profile picture namin. Ayan yun, yung image. Section. Para siyang container kasi magkahiwalay sila ng picture. Magkahiwalay kasi kami ng picture ni Renzi. Ayan, magkahiwalay kami. Kaya, section. Andito yung email. Andito yung email namin, phone number. Tapos itong link, din yan, profile, din namin yan, picture din namin yan. Ganito siya. Ayan. Yung mukha namin. Tapos yung description namin, ito. Pares lang kami. Ayan. Pares lang kami. Ayan yung description namin, oh. Ayan. Tsaka, ito. Pares lang. Ulit-ulit lang siya. Kasi nga, dalawa kami nandyan sa personal profile. Tapos, ito yung footer natin. Ayan yung footer natin. Personal profile din nilagay namin. Tapos, meron din kaming nilagay na additional info. Ito siya kapag kinlik. Show more. Ayan, both studying in Eastwoods. Script, ito naman yung sa amin, yung script search namin. Para mag-function yung code namin. Kinonnect namin siya sa JS, sa JavaScript. Ayun.
My name is John Renzi Manalili. Today I will present to you the CSS and JavaScript. In CSS, we apply general styles to the body, using the Roboto font, setting the text color to dark gray and the background to light gray. For the header, we use a blue background with white text and center the title. The navigation links are styled horizontally with spacing and a hover effect to make them interactive. Next, for the About section, we use a profile container class with flexbox to align the profile photo and bio side by side. The profile photo is styled to be circular with a blue border using the border radius 50%. The bio text is slightly larger to make it easy to read. We also use media queries to make the website responsive. For smaller screens like tablets or phones, the photo and text automatically stack vertically and the font size adjusts. The Show More Details button is green, while the rest follow the main blue color theme. Lastly, I explain the JavaScript. At the start, we use document add event listener DOM content loaded function. This ensures the script only runs after the page fully loads. Inside, we created the function for the toggle button. When the user clicks Show More Details, the hidden information becomes visible, and the button text changes to Hide Details. When clicked again, it hides the section.